Hello, madlang people, mabuhay. Ang kalat ng kwarto ko. Di ba ang kalat? Ay, nakalimutan ko yung step. Di ba mga schoolboy? Picturean na natin. Ay, nakita kaya kapag nag-chain ako. Hindi naman, it's like minor detail. Ay! Nag-expose! O, diba ang cute? Ang cute. Anyways, ay, dapat yung nakasisip pa ako. Ano to eh? Twinning siya. Hindi ulit. Feel na feel. Naka-O6 na ako. Okay, enough. Enough pictorials. Tama na. Here we have our box. Ganig ba yung fan? Hindi pa malakas. Here so far is the connection. And then we got 6 more. 6? 5. 5 na bago. And you're gonna be building this with me. Una, the B. B Miraculous. Pollen Puzzle. Ay. Wait lang. Ito. Di ba hairpin? Pollen Puzzle. Ang kulit. Place it right here. Ang pangit tingnan. Next, puro tao na to. Diba? What luck? Sunod-sunod. Number 2, Alex. Wasabi. Ay! Alex Wasabi! Naka-OA pa naman. Siyempre. If akala nyo ako nonchalant ako, you thought wrong. Next. Si Kai. Kai. Di ba pagkain yun in Maori? Kai. Ano pa ba alam kong Kai? Kai. Kai. Kay, 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 kay. Ihukay mo ang iyong joke lang. Dito siya sa taas. Next. Sunny. Sunny. Sunday morning, rain is falling. Ay! Nag-emo. Ano kasi Joshua Hong? Putong Sunday morning. Hindi Sunday morning. It's Friday night. Last Friday. Naging Katy Perry. And then si Sunny. Taga dito po siya sa taas. Kasi ayan nakalagay daw sa kanya 6. Ay! Naging teacher. Next. Si Rai. Ay! Si Ari. It's Ariana. Just keep breathing. Just keep breathing and breathing. Ano kasi, she's husky today. Anyways. Ariana. Yeah. Popular. Yeah. Elfie. Just say you're sorry. Ay. And tada! Tapos na si Ariana. Okay. That's it for today's completion. Meron pa tayong what? Let's count with me. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, lumabas yung accent. 3? What 3? Ay, okay. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Ano to? 7, 7. 21? I need 21 more to complete this whole collection. And then meron pa daw isang secret na narinig ko sa TikTok. May isa daw secret na ganito. I think it was like a wood block daw or something. Yeah. Anyways, that's it. Bye.